bed is in coffee mode, because that's what that looks like. I'm going to figure that out at some point. And there we have our Walmart. Good morning. I am beginning week 3 of van life, and I just spent my very first night in a Walmart parking lot. And not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. It was flat. It was quiet. I'm close to my work. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually living and working out of the van. Because I plan on doing a bunch of traveling. So next month, I've told you guys I'm going to be spending the whole entire month in BC. So I'm going to take you along that trip. But in the meantime, I get to work my regular job and do all my regular things. So I'm going to take you with me on those days this week. I have not been able to make a decent cup of coffee in this van in 3 weeks. Just trying to get my morning routine down and get everything out, and I finally found my steamer, because when I was in the house I would use hot water and heat up my mug, and then I would steam the milk, and then I would, grind the beans and do all the things, but the thing that I've been missing is heating up the mug and steaming the milk, which is a complete game changer when it comes to making a coffee. So I dug all the things out, got organized yesterday, had a good morning routine so far, and now I'm about to try my first coffee that I made that hopefully is going to be decent. It's not bad. Still needs work. But it's hot and it's strong. And that's all a girl needs on a Monday morning. I'm all ready to go to work. If you don't know, I'm a hairstylist. I work 3 days a week out of the salon, and then the rest of the time I'm actually in the gym, and I coach boxing. So welcome to my life. There are a few neighborhoods in Calgary that offer community garden boxes. When I rented this box, I actually lived in this neighborhood, so it was a really easy process. I do not have a green thumb. I can't honestly say what's going to grow out of this garden and what isn't, but hopefully I get something. Typically when people give me something to keep alive, it doesn't happen unless it's a dog or a cat. I can do that. That can be a thing. But anytime I have a plant or anything like that, I either overwater it or I underwater it. There's no in between. What I really like about this opportunity to have this garden box is just trying something new, getting out of the comfort zone and hoping it works. I'm going to have a bunch of vegetables and maybe a strawberry at the end of the season that I literally have no room in my van for, but I think what's going to be a lot of fun is being able to gift whatever I grow to anybody. I'm really enjoying this process. kind of taking you along with me for the week. As you know, I'm a hairstylist and I coach boxing and I run classes, and it's now Friday and I haven't done laundry in 2 weeks, which I haven't needed to actually. So I'm going to do the bedding and, you know, all the good stuff, probably some food prep. It's going to be a good day, and we'll take you to the boxing gym again after. But first, coffee. Let's go. So I'm back at Bridgeland Market today grabbing my coffee. I need to stop saying they're just amazing here. One thing that I really love doing is supporting local as much as possible, because they're amazing people doing really great things and following their dreams, and I just love supporting that. I brought some soy milk for a misto.
Nice, you got your own.
Thank you.
What size did you want?
Yeah.
Double shot?
Yes, thank you. I love it here.
We love you.
Ah, see? You're on YouTube now. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I need to look in that bag.
I can think about placement or not.
You have no idea how happy I am right now.
Welcome back. Oh, I don't know why I already thought you did.
No, I just came in and ordered it and then ran out and grabbed my milk.
It's just
Americano misto, yeah.
you brought your own milk, so we'll just call it an Americano.
Such a weird request, but like, it's like when you have one cup of coffee
Yeah.
a day, it's got to be immaculate or your day's shot.
I feel you. It's a real thing.
I finally figured out how to make a good cup of coffee in the van.
Yeah. Oh, that's congratulations.
It took me 3 weeks.
Dude,
3 weeks. It was like, it was upsetting there for a while.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So I'm happy now. I just didn't feel like doing it.
Oh, well, hey, that's okay. That's what we're here for.
Have a good day.
Yeah,
Cheers. Good to see you. While I'm in the neighborhood, I'm going to go ahead and pop by my son's place. You guys met him in the last video, I think. And I'm going to grab a couple of things that I leave at his house for storage. And I had a package delivered there. And we'll head off and do some chores. Good morning. Sorry I woke you up, but thank you for the things.
I figured out why it's so stuffy. I have a sinus infection.
Aw.
So I'm taking antibiotics now. And I'm taking a nasal spray.
Really? Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Sorry to hear that.
Just had a nice little visit with Victor. He's so amazing. Like, he's such a great kid. Picked up my packages and I got my Biomedic. So another thing that I do is I am partnered with a superfood company called Purium. I just actually partnered with them in December of 2021, and basically it's a company that stands by my values that I've been following for the past 13 years. I went organic 13 years ago. I went non-GMO. Like, I really cleaned up the kind of food that I was eating. I came from a place where I had anxiety and depression, and I wasn't moving my body, and I wasn't eating good foods. And Victor, my son, was also suffering as well. But it was like we didn't know it. We were just both so unhealthy. So I'd watched a documentary called Food Inc. and it completely changed my whole entire life. And I gutted my house of everything that I had. And I went to the store, which at the time I could not afford organic food. But I also couldn't afford to be just sick and depressed for, you know, the rest of my life. So I had to do something. After switching, within a month, all of my eczema went away. I immediately lost 5 pounds because when our body is swollen, I mean, we can hold up to 8 pounds of toxicity in our body and just inflammation. And so fast forward to December 2021, I found Purium through a friend of mine, Jill. And she's a boxer out of the States, and I answered one of her polls on Instagram, and we connected instantly. And so Purium is all organic, non-GMO, no fake ingredients in food, and they are plastic free now. So when you make your order, there's no spoons. Everything comes in these biodegradable bags. Biomedic, for example, I love because it really, really helps to clean and heal our gut. It's something that I've taken every single day along with the Power Shake and everything like that. Anyways, on top of being a hairstylist and coaching boxing, I also am partnered with Purium. So this is the company that's going to allow me to start my travels and to make money from the road. So they've given me the opportunity to help other people get healthy in such a really, I don't want to say easy because there is no easy, but a simple way. Simple isn't always easy. So in a very simple way, it helps people get on track with their health and will help support me to do some traveling coming up. So like you guys know, I'm going away in August, and I'll be able to make some money while I'm traveling and touring. And if you guys have any suggestions of anything that you want to see or I should try doing while I'm in BC, let me know, because I'm going to be out on Salt Spring Island, I'm going to be on Vancouver Island, I'm going to Tofino and Ucluelet. I can't say that word, so I'll ask somebody out there and hopefully I'll figure it out. Port Renfrew, I'll just be all over the place. So any suggestions, please comment below, let me know, and I will see you in the chairs. I will see you at the tours. I love my laundry chute. It's probably one of my favorite things about this whole van, is that I just stick all my dirty laundry down the little chute and it goes away. 2 weeks of laundry. It's really, honestly, not that bad. Thanks. I think I've told you guys before. Let's adjust this so you can actually see me. I think I've told you guys this before. I actually really like the laundromat. This is quiet, it's calm. While this is all happening, I can go out to the van and I can just like do a deep clean and be all fresh for the next week. The only reason why I'm here today is because I ran out of underwear. I'm down to like the biggest pair of panties that I have right now, and truth be told, they're amazing. 2 things women love is taking off their bras and putting on big underwear. I have 30 minutes now to sweep out the van, fluff the bedding. The bedding's super clean because I'm always showered when I crawl in, so I'm not going to worry about that. But I'm just going to organize like this storage section right here. Again, it's like, it's what you do at least once a week. It's like you pull everything out of the van and then you put it all back in again. And like each week it gets better and better. So week 3 is better than week 2 and 1 for sure. But I'm going to organize that. I'm going to sweep the floors because I'm washing all the mats. And then when we fold the clothes, then we'll organize the closet. Welcome to Teofista Boxing and the end of my week. Thank you so much for joining me on my Monday to Friday living and working out of the van. Honestly, I love my life. I have so many opportunities to help people improve their lives, their health, their well-being, help them feel good from the inside out. I couldn't imagine a better life serving other people in their goals and their potential. If you've liked this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next week. Really quick, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody that's reached out to me and offered me their homes to do work on the van, to have a shower, to sleep in their driveway. There's been an incredible amount of people that I had no idea were even following this story reach out to me and just be so giving. I really can't believe how much this lifestyle has grown my community, and I can't tell you how thankful I am for every single one of you. Have a great week, everyone.